Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today is like I mentioned, I think it was Get Ready With Me in Kanto. I mentioned that I will read the stories that you sent me. So if you have scary stories or an airy, or if it's not scary or like an airy stories that you have, please send it to me on my Facebook page that I will link down below. So for today, of course, I don't have makeup on. Sorry. I have already what is this eye primer. So I will do my makeup while I read the stories, and we do have two stories for today. So let's dive in. I'm sorry guys, I already have starting my eyeshadow, but I have to read it again. It's just hard, like when the stories involve, I mean, the people involved in that story is, you know them. It's just, I don't know, it's just I'm having a hard time right now. So I'm sorry if I already have a makeup, but I will reread again the story. So the story is from my friend Olga, and I don't know if she wants me to put her Instagram or maybe not. I'm not sure, but she was my friend since high school, and the other person that she was talking about here is I know her. She's we're not very close, but we're acquaintances. Like this is hard. Yeah, I know her. Like I said, we're not close, but we used to be in the same class, one of our major class, because when we're in high school, when you reach like third year, or what is that, junior, you have what is that, major class, and we're in the same class. So yeah, I personally know her, the other person. So I'm gonna do the from the start. I will read again from the start, and I'm sorry if I already have started my makeup. So yeah, let me do the reading again. My story started when a friend of mine died. I don't know, it's just really weird. The night of her wake, I was having a second thought if I should go visit her wake or not, because I was babysitting that time and my mom was out on vacation. So I decided not to go to her wake. I told my boyfriend that we can't go that night, and he said, okay. After our dinner, I decided to take a bath because it was really hot that night. I'm all alone in our room. When I'm done, my bath, I came out to see that the door in my room was slightly open. I just ignore it and proceed to dry my hair. I look at the window of my room and then I look over to my bedroom door again and I saw a shadow facing at me. I was really scared and screamed really loud and hard, and my boyfriend heard me and ran to my room. When he reached our room, the shadow immediately disappeared. This is not the last time I saw her. I keep seeing her since then. Sometimes in my dreams, and I dream of her. That she has a black eyes and keeps on looking at me. After that, I just pray that her soul will be in peace. By the way, before she died, we were always together, hanging out. Peace and peace, my name. Okay, let me do my other eyes, and I'll be back. Okay, we are ready for our face, and also for our second story. So for this one, one of my best friend, sent this stories, and hi Cheryl. So the stories start in one night. So one night, my mom decided to wait for my younger brother. It was already late at night, and she called him to his phone, and my brother told my mom that he was still traveling in the jeepney. If you don't know what jeepney is, it's one of transportation in the Philippines. You can Google it so you can see. Maybe I'll put the pictures. We'll see. Somewhere. So you know what I'm talking about. After a few minutes, my mother called my mom that he is almost near the creek. Maybe it's a bus station. No, not bus station. Maybe I don't know what is she's trying to say. A creek. Yeah, maybe like a bus station or a jeepney station. Like I said, he called my mom and he is almost near the creek and told her to pick him up. When my mom picked him up, it's so dark on that place that the only lights they can see is from their cell phone. My mom is not happy to my younger brother and scolded him while they're walking, going home. After a few minutes, my younger brother told my mom that he needs to pee. So he went to a banana tree to pee. My mom didn't wait for him and kept walking till she got home. It was already half an hour and my younger brother still didn't show up. My mom get nervous and scared of what's going on. After a while, my mom's phone suddenly ringing. And guess who called? It was my younger brother. When she answered it, it was my younger brother on the line and asked her if she could pick him up. My mom, confused and shocked at the same time, but still, she went onto the creek to pick up my brother. When my mom got there, my brother showed up and blessed to her. A bless is like a mano when you do this bless. That's a Filipino culture. It's a sign of respect. It's like a show respect to your elders. You do that on your parents, your grandparents, your uncles, and aunts. So my mom wondered who she picked up earlier because the first person have the same outfit like my brother. And this is our final look. I know it's a little bit crazy, especially the lips. But oh my goodness, I can't find my lashes, so I'm just using a mascara. I hope it's still good. I'm sorry about that. So let me finish the story. And then so on the way home, my brother keeps on talking to my mom while my mom is very quiet. She really cannot believe of what is going on. Therefore, the first person she picked up was really not my brother. And it just imitated my brother's appearance. And that's it for today. That's it. Our 2 stories for today. I really hope you like this new segment that we are tackle or telling the stories of our beloved friends and family here. So if you have, like I said earlier, if you have scary or an airy story that you wanted to share, please message me on my Facebook page. It is Cherry's Beauty Stuff, same name as my name here in YouTube. And If you love this segment, please like and subscribe, and also share it. Share it if you have Facebook, if you have Instagram. It would a big help to my channel. So yeah, that's it. And of course, always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.